Have you ever experienced an aggressive price pull in the market that is quite different from the regular pull, and you begin to ask yourself, what is going on in the market? My dear, there is nothing strange happening in the market. This is just simply imbalance. So if you're somebody that have been seeing all this aggressive price pull and you're asking yourself what is really happening here, this video is meant for you, and this is going to open your mind to how to trade, how to take profit, and how to enter markets around this aggressive pull. So if this is what you're interested in, sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Inspire World with Linsky, where you can learn how to make passive income online and how you can upscale in the crypto ecosystem. So if making money online is what you're interested in, and if upscaling your skill as a crypto enthusiast is applied, then this is the channel where you can get, because on this channel I teach you guys around crypto technical analysis, how to build your psychology around crypto trading, and how you can actually get basic information around the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So these are the things I dish out on this channel. So in case you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Subscription is free on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always supporting me and giving me that likes. Okay. And I want to say turn on the notification bell so that I can get updates anytime I update on this channel. So what am I talking to you guys about? We're talking about imbalance. Imbalance is one of the things that used to surprise or scare many newbie in the ecosystem, because the wonder those long candle that is forming, pushing price aggressively. You understand? Excuse me. One of the things you understand about imbalance simply means lack of equilibrium in the market. That is where there is an aggressive push of price that is beyond normal. Normal trend is just impulsive move creating the structure, but at this point price is just aggressively pushed up, like you're not expecting it, just pull up at any point. You understand? And what this means, it means that when price is pushed up, it means that there are a lot of buyers but less seller. You understand? Not enough seller. And when price is being pushed down, it means that there are a lot of sellers and inadequate or not enough buyer. That is what is really happening. Okay. And this happen just to pick liquidity, just to sweep liquidity or create liquidity grab. Okay. These are the things you need to understand about imbalance. I'm still going to take you guys to my phone screen, my screen, and show you guys imbalance in live chat and some major secrets you need to understand about imbalance. So it's important you see this video to the end. So before I take you guys to my phone screen, I've told you guys the reason why imbalance is happening in the market. So another thing you should understand about imbalance is we need to understand, how do you identify imbalance when you see them. Imbalance happen around fair value gap, and this is majorly created by three candles. The first candle will push the price normally, while the second candle push the price strongly, and the third candle create a gap between the previous candle and push the price aggressively. So this is where the imbalance zone is being created. So what are the things you need to understand about imbalance? The first thing you need to understand imbalance is meant to sweep liquidity, like I said earlier. And the second thing is imbalance is meant to fill an order block. You understand? There's a big secret around imbalance, and what many traders don't understand is imbalance is always the best spot to create entry for trading, because no matter how an imbalance is being created, there must be a structure for retest to pick up trade. Okay, so guys, don't let me bore you guys so much with talk here. Let me take you guys to my screen, show you guys imbalance on chart, and show you on live chat how imbalance helps to create entry, and how it helps you guys to take profit. Okay, many persons create entry with imbalance, and yet they still take profit around imbalance. All right, guys, let's me go to my phone screen. When I come back, we'll wrap up this video. Guys, welcome to my screen. So into this video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about imbalance. So we'll be doing some little practical. Then after the practical, then excuse me, then I'll take you guys to live chat, and I'll show you guys what imbalance is all about. You understand? So Like I said earlier before now, imbalance is a state of lack of equilibrium. That is when there are, let's say the imbalance is moving towards the uptrend. That is when there are lots of buyers and not enough sellers, and it is going down when there are a lot of sellers but not enough buyer. That's what imbalance is all about. Okay, so I just want to show you guys, okay, when you see a chart, how do you know that this is imbalance? So let me just show you guys how imbalance look like before I show take you guys to live chart, and then we settle that on live chart. Okay, so let's say we have something like this. So this one is just a downtrend imbalance moving towards that. Let's say we have something like this. You have something like this, the market is like this, the market is like this, then market is like this, then you have something, you have a very long candle like this, then you need to have something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this. Sorry, don't mind my this thing. Okay, okay, let me secret it a bit. Hold on guys, just hold on. So then you have something like this, you have something like this, you have something like this, then boom, you see market comes to mitigate this other block you get, and before you know, market begin to create something like this, something like this, something like this. Now okay, that's all. So what you see now, what you see here, what you experience in the market here is what we basically call here, what we have here is imbalance. What we have here is imbalance. Let me clone it. Let me clone it. Okay, what we have here, hold on guys. Okay, what we have here, these two spot where you see my arrow pointing towards is imbalance. Okay, that is market from here, market from this angle, hold on, market from this angle created an imbalance towards the bear side, while market from this angle creates imbalance towards the upside. But what do you see now? Imbalance is a spot where price is rapidly pushed down, you understand, to create a liquidity gap one, to create an entry, to create a profit, you understand, where traders take profit. Okay, let's do it that way. Let me make an explanation here for you guys to understand, how the market plays, how the market play out. Okay, now what you see happens here, is you see series of impulsive move, and when you get to the spot, market push down, you understand. Now at this point, market push down, it might kick out some liquidity that are unseen here, you understand, it might kick out some liquidity. When market push down, if you observe, market create an impulsive trend here, and again market push up, you get to take up another liquidity here. Now what do you experience here? You understand, you experience that market move comes back to mitigate the same order block here. Now definitely somebody now might decide to enter the market at this spot. Somebody might decide to enter the market at this spot, and the person might decide to short the market, which means that if the person short the market here, which means that if the person short the market here towards the spot, towards the spot if the person short the market, okay, if the person short the market here, which means that the market will come to this spot, to this point, to eat the what's the name, the order, then still retest at this spot. Let's say at this spot market retest, market begin to retest come back to take the profit. You understand? I will still show you in live chat. You see how all this play out. So naturally this is just imbalance what happened, and somebody might decide to enter the market at this spot as well. Somebody might decide to enter the market at this spot too. Somebody might decide to enter the market at this spot and decide to long. Somebody might decide to long the market at the same spot. I will show you. See how excuse me. You see how somebody might decide to long the market at this spot too. Some might decide to long the market. You see how imbalance play out. So let's go to live chat and let's see how imbalance plays out. Okay. Okay guys, let me show you on a live chat now. Let's see this particular imbalance now. This is just basically how imbalance works, but it doesn't work like that often in the market. Don't just believe that's how it works, okay? It works like that sometimes, okay? If you see, this is an imbalance here now. This is an example of imbalance here. It was created there. Then you begin to see the market move in this direction, comes to this point, go back to this spot again, okay? Some of it goes like this, and some of it are created with imbalance again. Okay, let me give you an instance now. Let's say somebody enter the market at this spot. Somebody enter the market at this spot. Somebody enter the market at this spot. You understand? The person decide to long the market. The person decide to long the market at this spot. What do I take? Let's say the person decide to long the market at this spot. Okay, so the person decide to long the market at this spot. Set the stop loss. You can see that the market moves. The market move at this particular spot now. The market move at this spot like this, move, take up the profit, even take it again before the thing bounce to take up profit, to take off, pick the order rather at this spot before the thing move to take up the profit here. It depends on how you put your profit, you understand? This is how it works. Okay, let me see if I can, let me see again if I can see any form of uh, any form of imbalance here again that can work like this, where you see multiple imbalance mitigating each other. You see if you see what I'm showing you now, you discover that it doesn't really work like that often. You get, it doesn't work like that often. It's just experienced once in a while in the market. But basically imbalance, these are examples of imbalance. These are examples of imbalance in the market. These are examples of imbalance. These are imbalance. These are imbalance. This imbalance in the market. These are examples of imbalance. Okay. So, but I just show you how people trade around imbalance to take profit. To take profit. I'm just trying to show you. That's what I'm trying to show you around this live chart. Okay, I think this is just a 30-minute market. Okay, so that's how people take imbalance in the market. All right, that's about this video. Thanks for seeing the video. See you in my next video. Okay guys, that's that about imbalance. I feel you guys can understand what imbalance is all about. There's nothing difficult about imbalance. Let me tell you, that is one of the magic in the industry you need to know. Once you see an imbalance, is a point to create your point of interest, and is also a point to create entry and take profits as far as trading and technical analysis is all about. So guys, thanks for seeing this video. Thanks for seeing this video to this point, and thanks for, if this video have added value to you, please smash the like button. It's very important to smash the like button, because you smashing the like button is just a way of supporting me on this channel. And then if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the bell. And thanks for seeing the video. See you in my next video. Thank you.